Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys another powerful volatility index strategy that you can use to scalp in the market. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, I'm going to quickly share with you guys the indicator setup. Then after that, I'll be explaining to you guys how the strategy works. Okay, so you first of all click on this F icon here. After clicking on that, you search for your first indicator, which is the MACD, as you can see here. Alright, so you click on this main window plus icon, then you search for the MACD. Alright, so these are the properties for the MACD. The fast EMA is 12, the slow EMA is 26, MACD SMA is 5. Apply to its close, the level you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. Now the main you can decide to remove the color, or you leave it at the default setting, right? And the signal, you make the color red, 2 pixel or 3 pixel, right? And after that, you click on done. All right, you are done with the MACD. Now the next indicator we have here is moving average. All right, so you click on the indicator window 1 plus icon, and then you search for your moving average. As you can see here, these are the properties for the moving average. The period is 1, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to its first indicators data, right? The level, you leave it as it is, time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it color yellow, 3 pixel, and you click on done. Alright, so the last indicator we have here is the relative strength index, which we are using for our levels. Alright, so you click on this main window plus icon again, you search for your relative strength index. Okay, so you make the period 1, apply to its close, the levels is 90 and 10, color red, 4 pixel, and you click on done. Now the time frame is all time frame. The style, you make it the color of your background, right? And you use 1 pixel. After that, you click on done. Right, so once you have done everything correctly as I've just explained, you are going to have a screen like mine. Okay, so before I explain how the strategy works, I want to quickly remind you guys about the powerful boom and crash I've been giving out to my subscribers. Alright, it's a very powerful VIP strategy that even a beginner can use to grow their small account. Okay, so if you have been blowing your account and you are looking for a strategy that can help you change the situation, then you should make sure to message me. Okay, check the description of this video, you are going to see my WhatsApp contact there. Make sure to message me and we'll discuss on how you get the strategy. Okay, so that is that about that. Now, how does this simple strategy work? It's a very simple strategy that works based on a ranging market. Okay, it works based on a ranging market, and you can use it on all volatility indices. Okay, now this is how the strategy work. First, you want to allow your indicator, the red and the yellow line, to get to the oversold or the overbought level, right? So once it gets to the oversold level, as you can see around this area, once it's touching the 90 or the 10 level, in this situation it's touching the 10 level, as you can see right here. Now once it gets to this level, it means that price has gotten to the oversold level, and any moment from then it will start reversing. All right, buyers will start coming into the market and start pushing it to the upside. Okay, so this is a very strong key level, the 90 and the 10 level, right? So once price gets there, you want to start looking for opportunities in the market, right? Now as you can see here, price got to this area. All right, so once you see something like this, you wait a little bit. All right, you observe. So once you see the yellow line here start crossing above the red line, all right, on the indicator window, that is an opportunity for you to get into the market as fast as possible. All right, so you grab the opportunity, you go into the market, you buy and you hold till this line, the two of them, the red and the yellow. All right, but you need to take note of the yellow. So once it gets to the 90 level, which is our overbought level, then you should close. right? You close and then you grab the next opportunity that will present itself. Okay, so again, as you can see here, once it gets to the overbought level, you wait for the yellow to cross below the red, and then you sell again and hold till this here gets to the 10 level here, which is our oversold level. Okay, so it's as simple as that, guys. That's how simple the strategy work, and you need to take note of this. It works best on a ranging market. Okay, so when the market is trending downward, you avoid it with this strategy, and when it's trending upward, you don't use this strategy. But if it's ranging, all right, ranging, going up and down, when the market is consolidating, then you apply the strategy I'm talking about. Okay, and make sure to use it on the higher time frame because it respects the strategy more effectively on a higher time frame. Okay, but if you are using it on a down or a lower time frame, I've not seen the accuracy in that place very well, but I know it works best on the 1 hour, from the 1 hour upward. Okay, so make sure you do the back testing yourself and see how good the strategy is before you apply it using your real money or apply it in the real market. Okay, so I'll leave it to you guys now to do the practice yourself and see if the strategy is working or not. Okay, if you have tested and it's not working, there are other powerful strategies here on my channel that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, before I go, for those of you who still ask about the zoom level, the zoom level doesn't really matter. You can zoom out completely and then zoom in 2 times. Okay, so that is how it is. And for those of you who are just coming across my channel for the first time, please make sure to subscribe, all right, if you haven't done that. And if you know you are getting value from the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Okay, make sure to like the video. Okay, so I think that's going to be all for this one. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. Silver out.